Imagine creating a video where your digital twin speaks a different language with a perfect voice and lip sync, even though you don't know a single word of that language. Sounds like magic, right? Today, we're about to show you the mind-blowing AI tool that makes this not just possible, but incredibly easy. It all starts with a visit to the HeyGen website. It's super easy to sign up. Just click on Get Started for Free button, and you can either create an account with your email or use a Google account for a quick login. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the HeyGen studio, ready to make your first video. This studio is your creative hub, and it's where all the magic happens. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the navigation bar. The first option, Home, takes you back to the dashboard. Below that, you have Projects to access your saved creations, and under Assets, you'll find options like Avatars, Templates, and Brand Kits. But that's not all. HeyGen recently launched a cool new modification for avatars called Avatar 1V, and there are many other exciting features you can explore. Now let's focus on some of the key features that will help you create a stunning video. To get started, click on the Create Video button. You'll then be given two main options: Landscape for horizontal videos, great for YouTube, and Portrait, perfect for vertical videos like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Choose the one that best fits your needs. The next step is to select your star. HeyGen is renowned for its realistic AI avatars, which can be your digital actors. You have access to a wide range of avatars, each with its own distinct style. Whether you need a friendly teacher or a cool business person, there's an avatar for any story you want to tell. And here's the best part: you can create your own digital twin. Simply upload a short video of yourself, and HeyGen will turn you into an AI avatar to feature in all your videos. How amazing is that? You can also generate avatars from just a photo. Seriously, it's that simple. Once your avatar is ready, it's time to give them a script. This is where HeyGen's text-to-video feature shines. You can type your script directly into the text box, just like writing a text message. Be sure to keep your text clear and easy to understand, as HeyGen will sync your avatar's movements with the words you've typed. And if you already have a voiceover, you can upload it too. Let's move forward to the customization options. If you choose to use text-to-speech, HeyGen offers a variety of AI voices. You can even fine-tune the tone and emotion to match the vibe of your video. Now, as we continue exploring, you'll notice several other features available in the interface, like Elements, where you can add shapes, icons, and even animated effects. For the background, you can choose a solid color, an image, or a video to complement your avatar. For professional creators, the Audio tab lets you upload background music, setting the perfect mood for your video. Additionally, you'll find the Upload option for adding your own images or videos to the project. And Brand Kit feature you saw on dashboard, you can access it directly within the studio to apply your brand's colors and logos with a single click. And here's something you'll want to pay attention to: the Video Translate feature. If you have a video in one language, you can upload it to HeyGen, and the platform will automatically translate it into over 170 languages. What's even more impressive is that HeyGen will clone the speaker's voice and perfectly lip sync the new audio. This is a game changer for anyone looking to reach a global audience. Finally, when you're satisfied with your video, hit the Submit button in the top right corner. HeyGen will start rendering your video, and once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification. Now let's talk about the business side. HeyGen operates on a credit-based system. Each minute of a video you create consumes a certain number of credits. You get a few free credits when you sign up, which is great for testing the platform. But if you want to create longer videos or use premium features, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. There are different tiers, each offering a different amount of credits per month. So be sure to choose the one that fits your usage. So there you have it, a full breakdown of HeyGen. Now let me know in the comments which HeyGen feature you are most excited to try first: AI avatars or Video Translate. And if you're looking to boost your productivity, check out our next video on AI Gadget. Trust me, it's packed with incredible information.